Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your own channel Midu Study. I am your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore, and friends, as you all know, Midu Study is your own channel initiative in which we discuss various management concepts and topics in a very simple manner. Friends, we have different modules on marketing management, human resource management, organizational behavior, operations management and strategic management. Today's is on one of our oldest and liked module, which is marketing. So we have discussed various chapters, and in the marketing syllabus, if we divide it into 12 chapters, we have covered 6 chapters, that is 50% of marketing. And today we are going to start the 7th chapter, which is about new product development and what strategies you can do for new products. We will be covering it in 2 videos. Today's video number 29, and in 20 we will discuss about the life cycle. Let us begin. So when we say the term new product development, one, it is also known as NPD, the short form NPD. So frequently I will be using that. It is the development of original products, product improvements, product modifications and new brands through firm's own product development efforts. So new product development does not mean only developing the new product, but it also means improvement in the existing product. If you are doing some upgradation in the existing product, that also comes in the category of NPD. Product modifications, you modify, you change any formulation, you change any part, and any new brands that you launch through the firm's own product development efforts. All of these 4 things come in the process of NPD. NPD, my dear friends, is a 8-step process. Let us discuss. First is idea generation, idea screening. Presently you just see these names. We will discuss all of them in this particular video. Concept development and testing, marketing strategy development, business analysis, product development, test marketing and commercialization. These are the 8 steps of new product development. Let us begin. So to first of all have new product, first idea is to generate the idea, that is have idea generation. New product development starts with idea generation. The systematic search for new product ideas means an official way in which we search for new product idea. Now searching new product idea, there can be 3 ways. First is internal idea sources. Internal idea sources can be through formal R&D. So every company has a formal research and development R&D department whose work is to work on the new products, work on the product improvement. They keep doing it. Entrepreneurial programs, so programs within the company in which you promote people to give new ideas so that new products can be developed. And some hackathons. When we say hackathons, this is common in software and your basically IT industry, in which people with the different minds, different background come together. For example, companies like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, they keep doing it and they develop new concepts. Second is the external idea sources. When we say external idea sources, these are the sources outside the company. There are 4 major things. One is the distributors. So distributors are the one who are going to be your actual first line customers, primary customers who are going to sell your products. So if they are giving you idea, you always have that particular confidence. See, you develop a product without involving any stakeholder. It might happen that it might not like and product fails. In case of involving a distributor, you at least have his confidence. Second, suppliers. So apart from distributors, suppliers who supply you maybe raw products or maybe packaging material. Then your competitors. If a competitor has launched a product and it is successful, then in that case you can always be sure that you can launch it and you can also generate some juice out of it. And last is the customers. So if through customers you know this is the requirement and this is the product they want, it is always beneficial to work on that route. Next, third method is crowdsourcing. When we say crowdsourcing, it means inviting broad communities of people, customers, employees, independent scientists, public in the new product innovation process. So we are involving all these people and saying, give us innovative idea, we will work on them, and you reward some of the ideas which you like. Now once you have done this idea generation exercise, maybe through internal, maybe through external, maybe crowdsourcing, you have huge number of ideas. Now you screen those ideas. So screening new product idea to spot good one and drop poor one as soon as possible. Whatever you see are poor, drop them. Whichever you see good, pursue them. Now to check whether idea is good or bad, the framework is RWW. What is RWW? It stands for real, win, worth doing. First, evaluate whether an idea is real or not. If it is fake, if it is copied, tomorrow it can be that due to patent thing you cannot even launch it. So first of all, screen real versus fake. Now the ideas which are real, in that see which ideas are win, which are lose. which ideas will make you gain something, which will not give anything in return. Now after you have find out which are win, then find out are they worth doing. Sometimes it can be idea is you see a big win, but your everyone has own limitation in terms of resources, in terms of capabilities, in terms of spends, everything. So from that you will know whether the idea is worth doing or not. So once you have from RWW framework seen which ideas are there, then you develop the concept development and testing. In this, a very important term is product concept. A detailed version of new product idea stated in meaningful consumer terms. So a new product idea we are stating in consumer term, that is known as product concept. There are now three terms which seem to be similar, but there is a difference. So that is why I am discussing that with you. One is a product idea, then the product concept, then the product image. Now what are the differences between these three? When we say product idea, it is an idea for possible product that company can see itself offering to the market. So what idea is there of the product which company sees we are giving to market, that is basically product idea, the first very simple thing. Then a detailed version of the idea in the consumer terms is known as concept. A detailed version, and from the understanding perspective of the consumer, that is known as concept. And last, you might think that this is the definition of it, but consumers might perceive it in their own way. That is known as product image. What image of the product is there in the mind of the consumer? So it is the way consumers perceive an actual or potential product. After you have developed the product, then go for the concept testing. Testing new products, not new product but new concept. Testing new product concept with a group of target consumer to find out if the concept has strong consumer appeal or not. So with this small set, you are testing whether there is appeal or not, and basis that you proceed ahead to the fourth step, which is marketing strategy development. Now marketing strategy statement, whenever it is done for a new product, it consists of three parts. First, it describes the test market, planned value proposition, sales, market share, profit goals for the first few years. What will be the target market in which you want to take it? What will be the value proposition? What sales are you planning? What market share are you planning? And what are the profit goals for first few years? Second, outline the product's planned price, distribution and budget for the first year. What will be the price at which various price points you want to launch it? What will be the distribution strategy? And what will be the marketing budget? Third, it describes planned long-run sales, profit goals and marketing mix strategy. So in the long run, what are going to be the sales, profit goals and marketing mix strategy? Next is business analysis. A review of the sales, cost and profit projections for a new product to find out whether these factors satisfy the company's objective. So after marketing strategy is developed, we need to see whether it fulfills the business goals or not. So it is the review of the sales, cost, profit projection for new product to find out whether they satisfy the objectives of the company or not. Then we go to the sixth step, which is product development. After all this is done, then the actual development step comes. Developing the product concept into a physical product to ensure that the product idea can be turned into workable market offering. So till now everything was in the document phase or was in the prototype phase. Now we are actually developing a product. This is the product step number 6, which is product development, in which the concept till now, which was in the concept stage, that is developed into physical product, and it is ensuring that it can be turned into workable market offering or not. Seventh comes the test marketing stage of new product development, in which the product and proposed marketing program are tested in realistic market situations, market settings. So what do we do now? The product that is developed, that is never, you should never launch it full-fledged, that you launch it pan-India. No, in selected market you test it. Okay, you see whether what kind of response is there. Sometimes it can happen that you need to do some product modification that cannot be done if you do pan-India. It will be huge loss. But from the test market you take the feedback, any modification required in product, in strategy, you do that. After that you go full-fledged. So everything you test in this test marketing step. Next comes the 8th step, which is the commercialization. It is the introducing of the product into the market, the final step in which the product is full-fledged launch into the market. These are the 8 steps. Let us once revise, go back to the initial chart that we started. So for new product, we start with the idea generation. Idea generation then can be through 3 steps: internal source, external source, crowdsourcing. We screen the ideas. RWW framework, real win, worth doing. After that, develop the concept, you test it. After that, develop the marketing strategy. analysis of the business, product development, actual development of the product, test marketing in which you do the pilot, and at last the commercialization step in which the product final enters into the market. These are the 8 steps of new product development. So this is all from today's video, my dear friends. In next video we will discuss the product life cycle strategies. So like a human being goes through different stages in life, a product also goes through a different stages, that is known as product life cycle, and we will discuss what should be the strategy for each product life cycle. If there is any confusion in today's video, my dear friends, please let us know. You can write on our mail ID, which is meedu.study@gmail.com, or you can write in the comment section. If you are liking our content, please like the video, share and subscribe to Meedu Study. Thank you, take care, have a good day.